guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. Today, this is my first time doing a video like this, which I've seen lots of people do it, but I decided to do it as well because I love unboxing things, and like it's like just feels like a mystery to me to it all. So of course today we are unboxing the Boxycharm. Now I have not opened this, guys. If you can see that it's still sealed, has not been opened, and I have been waiting to open it. I got it I think on Tuesday. Today is Thursday. I got it on Tuesday, so I have been waiting, but it came Tuesday night, so I have not opened it. I've been waiting to open it with you guys. We're doing it together. I even went as far as not watching other people unbox theirs. Like, I was so anxious to open this box, but I didn't. But now it's today. See, good things come to those who wait. And I also have my cell phone nearby because I want to be able to compare prices. Like, I want to see how much these items are, because we all know how much Boxycharm subscription is a month. But you know, you do get some really good deals in here. And see, sometimes we just take it for granted. It's like, ooh, I got this or I got that. But you need to look up the prices, guys, to see what you are getting, like what your money is getting you, because sometimes they have full size products in here. So enough talking, let's open this box. Y'all, I just took my nails off because you guys know the struggle is real right now. Nobody's getting nails done, nobody's getting hair done. Okay, y'all can see my locks need to be retwisted. Ooh, it's just a whole mess, y'all, but we working with it. Okay. Oh, okay, so you know it out. Okay. Okay, first off, it has this card in it, the Boxycharm box. Oh, but they do have a coupon code for Misguided. I've never shopped it before, but they do have a coupon code here for you know, if you guys want to use it, I'll leave it down in the description box. The code is Boxy55. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but I'll leave it down in the description box. Okay, that's one thing they have in here. Then they have the makeup eraser. Oh, okay, bye-bye makeup wipes. Okay, forever. Okay, so yeah, they have that in there. Okay, and then they have, okay, now here are the products. You get 3 products. Okay, so the first one is the POREfessional. Okay, the Hydrate visible minimalize yeah, I can't say that word. Pores. It minimizes pores. Okay, the POREfessional benefit. I've heard good things about this, but okay, we're gonna look it up, guys. Let's look it up and see how much this costs. Okay, so this is a full size product. Okay, it says it's a hydrating face primer to minimize the look of pores. Okay, and that's always good. This size here is $32. That's a pretty good deal, guys. Really good deal. Let's go to the next item. So the next item is the Elemis. I think it's E-L-E-M-I-S. Superfood Calm Hydration Juice. Super hydrating gel. Okay. And it says apply every morning to clean skin. Okay, so it's basically like a moisturizer, hydrating. This cooling hydrator packed with fruit, waters, and antioxidants rich chia helps to visible calm skin. I can't read today, guys. I don't know what it is, but yes, this is definitely, looks like it's pretty good, and it's quite a bit. You get quite a bit in this bottle, and I love the green color. Like, it's so pretty. At Macy's, guys, at Macy's, this is $48. $48 at Macy's. So let's see, let me pull that up for you. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. 48 bucks at Macy's. Wow. So for our last item, it's the Icon London Illuminator. Okay. Okay, let's see. This looks pretty. At Ulta, right now at Ulta, this is priced at 40 bucks. At Ulta. 40 bucks, y'all, at Ulta. Okay? $40. I mean, I'm not disappointed with this month's box. I was not disappointed last month with that box. I mean, let me see if they got anything. They have other stuff. Oh my God. I thought that was it. These things right here will get you. I always take this out first, y'all. Okay, oh my goodness. Okay, it's another thing from Iconic. It's a lip gloss, looks like a lip gloss. What is this lip gloss called? Lip Plumping Gloss. Lip Plumping Gloss. I don't think I need that. I mean, hopefully that's just a name, because I do not like those products that plump up your lips, because I definitely don't need that. Thank God. But, because I don't like the way it makes I don't like the way it makes your lips feel like, oh gosh, I used it once and I was like, oh my God, what is happening here? And my lips were like fat, like fat. So that's a no for me. But I think it's just the name of it. No. But this from Ulta right now, it is $26 for this. $26. $26. I only have the base subscription. I don't have the fancy one where you get a little bit more and more expensive and fuller sizes. I only have the base one. So, dang y'all, that's really good. I mean, I don't know exactly what it says. Iconic London's lip plumping glosses are the ultimate combo of non-sticky gloss and plumping power. Yeah, y'all, I won't be using this. No. Uh-oh, so what's this? I have is this a makeup brush? There's two makeup brushes. Ooh, let's see. Makeup brushes. Okay, and I think these are from Iconic too. Illuminati. Is that what that says? Illuminati Gel Paint Electric Pink. Okay, let's see. I don't know, I don't be fooling with the Illuminati. I don't want to be fooling with that, y'all. They actually have their own site, so let me go on here. Okay, so I see. So for both of these, it's $42 on their site. For both of these, $42. Focus, focus, focus on me. Come on now. You guys see that? $42 for both of these. Now let's do some little swatches here. Let's see. Oh, wow. That's a really nice blue. Ooh, honey, honey. And I was just thinking about doing a pink, like a hot pink eye look. Yeah. This is definitely going to be used for that video. And I love blues. Like, blues and purples look so nice on my skin. Y'all, like, yes. And I also want to do a little something with this. Let's see. Let's do a little test on this. Ooh, oh, and it's kind of like bent. The dropper, it's kind of, the dropper is like got a bent, it's like bent. I don't know if it'll, so let's see. Put a little bit of that on my hand. Ooh, honey, this thing is, so let's see. Whoa. I don't know. This might be a little too ashy for me. Like a little too, but you will be glowing. You won't be disappointed. Let's see. Oh, 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 oh God. And that's just a little bit. Like, ooh. I already have a little highlighter on. But I don't like a lot of highlighter, but honey, honey, honey. Blind me. Oh, you guys see that? Okay, okay. Okay, I see what you're doing here, Iconic. I did want to use a little bit of this as well. Let me see if you have to take anything off. Oh, kind of smells like leaves. It smells medicated. But it smells good though. It smells like some type of leaf. Oh, you gotta turn it. Let's see. Oh, okay. Oh, it's very cool. Oh, It's nice. Oh, it's very cooling. Oh, okay. I like this. I don't know. I'm going to try it tonight on my face after I do my face. Clean my face and my face routine, my night routine. Oh. Mmm. Ooh, it does feel good on the skin. And it smells good too. Okay guys, so all in all, I feel like there was some really good products in this month's box. I am very, very happy about the products that I received, especially after looking them up. Like I said before guys, whenever you get these types of subscriptions, make sure that you are looking up the items to make sure you're getting your money's worth. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.